Hey, Sarah, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. Do I have a custom pit for y'all today? Now, this is a surprise pit, all right? And I had to tape off all my logos on here because I don't want to blow the big surprise. But just imagine how good your name would look where all my blue tape is. Just think about that while you're watching this video. But let's check out the smoker. Now, this is a Copperhead 84 by 36, so huge smoke chamber here. A double door unit. And one thing that's special about this is there is no strap in the middle here. So you've got a huge bottom grate all wide open here, great for doing a whole hog, a lot of cook space in this unit. Now this is a reverse flow pit. So you got 3 removable reverse flow plates down the bottom there. Come around with the hot box here. Extra large hot box, 6 sliding trays in this bad girl. A lot of cook room in there. Still runs independent from the smoke chamber. We got stainless steel shelving on top of both fenders right here on the firebox. Speaking of the firebox, come around here. This is an insulated firebox, fire management cradle there. You can see a little custom touch here on the firebox as well, on the air intake there. On the back side, we do have some storage. You wanted to store a couple folding tables, so those will fit well here. And then up front, we've got a 10-inch propane burner. Got a tank holder up front as well as your spare tire. So guys, that is this custom Copperhead 84, all tricked out, ready to cook some food. So y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.